Hey guys, Optic Ladon here. I haven't been coming out with many videos lately, and I'm sorry about that. I've just been kind of busy. This next video I'm bringing you is a lot more like noob tubes across the map and combat axes that just from really far distances. I really hope you guys like the video. Here it is.
Secure the objective. Securing A. Be advised.
The thing that was so nice about that one is that one guy I cross-mapped and the other dude I hit was right in front of me.
Charlie locked down.
And hey guys, just as a little bonus clip here, I'm going to put in it's a shotgun. There I got 3 kills with only one shot. I shot twice. One was just hit markers, and the second one was like a triple collat. Here it is. Alright, well hey, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like it, give some thumbs up, and please subscribe.